Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. And newly redesigned inside and out with a fresh new look, looking very sleek. But let's take a look at the tailgate first, which opens up nice and slow, like so. And on the tailgate itself, you have a rugged work surface with measurements and everything, some holes for your clamps, and just a general good work surface. And then you do also have a powered outlet here in the box with 2 outlets there, so you can plug in your tools or whatever else you need. And now looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders. And then here you have 2 more with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 120-volt power outlet there. Seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And this truck does also have a remote vehicle start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and mirrors. So now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking around the fresh new interior, moving on to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your part of your hands-free phone and radio controls with your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, eco behavior, auto start stop status. When your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. Driver assistance, fuel economy. Then you can also go back into your truck info, tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and driver assistance again. And you also have your towing status and information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have a My View, which is sort of a favorites view for any subcategory that you want there for ease of access. And looking at the left side of the steering wheel, where you have the rest of your hands-free phone radio controls with your cruise controls and also your lane keeping system. Moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is massive, and it is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Your favorite screen, much like this one, you can put any of those subcategories there for ease of access. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And then your actual features screen, where you have your driver assistance, Power Onboard, that is the outlets in your box, and zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Do also have a sort of split view here, so if you're on your navigation going somewhere but you want to keep an eye on your audio, you can have it separately there, so that's pretty neat. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view without going into reverse with your front view specifically, hazards, traction control shut off, and then you do also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty good. That's Bang & Olufsen. Moving to the left of your your screen, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, 4x4 selector with locking rear differential, and some different drive modes such as normal, tow haul, eco, and sport modes. And then on the other end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so quite a customizable driving experience there. Moving on though, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, obviously with dual front climate and heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the right you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. Do also have a button here to open up the compartment above your glove box. And then you have a compartment down here which opens up to reveal a USB and USB-C with a little holder for your phone while it's charging or whatnot. Then you have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your main shifter with select shifts on the side, so you can manually shift your gears, but then it can also be folded flat. So you can fold out your flat workspace here, so if you need to do something in your truck, you can. certainly have the space for it. And then you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you like the new look of the 2021 Ford F-150, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.